Welcome to West Michigan's favorite automotive supercenter. At Xtreme Truck and Auto, we offer everything you would need to buy a new car, truck, or SUV, a full service center to maintain and care for your vehicle, and even an aftermarket department that can help you customize your ride from top to bottom. Let's take a look around. On the lot, we tend to have a more unique and specialized vehicle inventory, including lifted trucks, sports cars, and luxury SUVs. But we also have your daily drivers, gas savers, and family vehicles to ensure that we have multiple options for all our customers. Walking in to your left, you will see where our sales and finance professionals can assist you with vehicle purchases. We have many different banks we work closely with to provide the best financing options if needed. And to the right of the front entrance, you can check out the vast array of rims, tires, lift options, steps, tonneau covers, and other various accessories. Or just step up to the counter and talk to our parts and service experts for a quote or to schedule an appointment. In the back shop, we have 10 service bays, an oversized alignment rack, leather conversion center, and even a full tire shop that can do any size rim or tire. Since 2018, we have strived to provide all the best in the automotive industry under one roof. Come check it out for yourself in Coopersville, Michigan, or visit our website for more information.